de AFCON so ni nyina nze si ne 18 radio stations no moyi e de so say ye bo modern na trial no ye de omo etimi aye na mu nkomo no ene se de mu nchemu na esi etie no ye se de star round o won kranyanya fe na aba be ha ho me de nya Sompa ti obohye ma 93.1 no bo nze na atwe ni tinti egu so a ye bo modern ye trial no na mu nkomo na nche ebebe dwama so ba ku ye radio keto a obetim de akobe bia ba ku yusu no ka mu ena ba kon so no obetim yusu no ofie na aboa amane ma ko etie badwama so a obon se didama hyehyɛ no ekoye kama so etie ma kensa dwumadi a na chese fiere bia about live on Sompa TV, Sompa FM, Sompa FM Sunyane, Sompa FM Nkranza na senete MPR ma Sin Central, Honorable Kennedy e Japan, ene baba be di no nkomo, onzo yo de for papa yonso no ofana kwa na ye di no nkomo, etwo de nti a wo so ba e baba beta na china pipi amanyuko no, obaba be do mo no na 2024, ye to aba ye yini so mra nema me Ghana man pe me ba cho Fridays bia no 9 ekokosi no nsia enwumre no ya bomode na fatoa na hwebi na mboa na ne man koyi so entimi amfama na ye pemema mienu a ye de omo bewura mu ewa amonone na omako akobo adwuma na boa na hyehyɛ na koyi pa etimi era mo na mu nkomo na de ye ro ko Europe me pacho ene no de ba ne permit a wodo na behia na odi atran wa ye adwuma na ye gibi etimi era man tuzu interest ma na wafa number mema nko an ye pa omo 0241 272 990 0241 272-990 Nambwa na bibia ended the year so no entimi enfamao Nature Medics abomode di nupano etimi abedwama so a unya bi na no meboa na wagya na so na nema akoye pa etimi era man ye didimpa heba mischanaba zene Maria Favor na edunya typhoid na edunya wanumato ewo na honam yo ya mepacho eneko na kokoji dimpa heba mischana ebo adwuma too much gasto mischa my goodness yefuya ye bia ewe ne tu ase mo a osa no edi munya cheno unya gasto mischebe na aboa na eyisa ha no nyina efi so na so no wetime gya na so na menso plus no yeri abertime era ma yenu amba no oyo ba bosome so bu nse ma ye owa na eka odwe avezo kra na se no aye bisi base na so ma weba na okọ me pacho je menso plus mischana be na eyisa ha no nyina fi obebi be de ebe chiche asundwe be fie na ne ma dadi pa etime era manti frɛ na ka wo ya ye ne enwe na yenso ano emfama 0248 778 899 0248 778 899 Mr. Abawo Kumasi Jeffrey Mankesim Pena Abawo Cape Coast Nimdieba Ewo Takrade Nana Boachi Abawo Accra Netema Eku Pharmacy wa Shaman Ramu na koko jindo pani binembwa na ne mandida yepa entimi emfama na tutu no so no enko kama pa emfama na so jan na so Vodafone zianka emfancho se Vodafone cash special bundles no yeri aba na ba bi rama simple kra oda star 110 hash wabomode rana call my Vodafone app no so a wet media ejuma auto credit 5 Ghana cedi ye ma 200 minutes na otwe na no makoma so no obomode na wetimi edi nkomo na ne ma da yepa etimi era ma weni e course a obey to all networks na boana hyehyɛ no adade era ma weekend Premier League no any leagues na e bounce back yenyu su to a golden code promo no na the golden booking code no simple uyusu a na just obomode atwa bet no from 1 Ghana to 50 Ghana na ediwa ye bomode osika no ye return etimi era ma ne when you do fear do what ya simple www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh waramo wabomodian ko bibia ya twa 100% back no okwa okreke so a code no emfa bi nka ho emfa bi hjem utwa na just ye diwa ye bomodian from 1 Ghana to 50 Ghana no ye timi return usika no etimi remant ye hyehyɛ pa ye de ram na ni na mo no onni do fear do what ya emfa ho entimi enhye mamenko mema na trans ye ramu manone nkomo eto aso kama pa etimi edi amamo
right abrana sansuna no pay na ye be breaking it down na ya touching it down na ya knocking it down ye nyada jeje mu yompon krofa mama so na yen chansem na say if US Open obeka no pay what tip off so me ye bebre adimawo na no Saturday and a man singles no fana no 19-year-old girl of America ye friend Coco Gauff etimi agisi ni na so enra anadwo and opium wo mema no singles na yes Novak Djokovic eswetimi gye when the 24th Grand Slam title ne nsa etimi aka na so fa Lewin ohwe US Open etodo New York superstars awodo na etimi koye ekobumani akonkɔ ma dwumadie no etimi kɔ kama na adwere nura na Lewin eso stance no na obone ni akwa hwe obone nsaman ye fe obone nsaman ye akono eno rapper ye fan Lewin eso eno no eno akire 2006 ababawa emane singles US Open otimi ye fan Maria Sharapova eso etimi ekoye eko Gracie occasion no ema bi pay fine na hwe Maria Sharapova eso stance no obone ni akwa na ohwe na bibia ye kama eno ede dawa ye jejamu eso edama na ye wrama yan twa baba friend Coco Gauff babia history book no ya twro ni din ede ato wo hwa emana eba women singles wo US Open no ma win no na sa o join a say history books no ye timi twro din ede gona be be kama eno na twa wo say edin bebraba ye Osaka mu din ho igas Viantec ho se Coco Gauff 2023 ono ana so far we winner na no akire ntwo kura title na nkasa na odigina babia ni din no babia oja mark no eso ede ato na bibia so kama kire sampa maame no wo badwuma yo na no pai obeka medi omo a oji kruwa no omo abebo na ba so ede congratulations messages ede bra na Bill Clinton edi kana Bill Clinton din ba no na Barack Obama Michelle Obama eni Miami Heat mu nyina eso ede omo de bae na utwa oni Novak Djokovic afi omo ya dam na fa utwa afi wo Cincinnati omo ena ewini ye ena omo sabe wini US Open no ama bibia so aya fine eno ede dawa ye jejam dama ye Novak Djokovic woni ne baba ne daughter no akwada no eye bibia edema ne papa utwa akwada ketwa ne papa jikura ne papa eba ne nchen ama celebration no eye emane de se waba number 1 after so US Open no se so pema latest air standings abano Novak Djokovic ena eba abe number 1 eno edieba na eno na Daniil Medvedev eso eka bibi cha so question obuso refer Novak Djokovic se watima je Grand Slams makuma 24 wadi 36 were the oldest player watim ISR record no na Daniil Medvedev as a question obusa no obesre no eso ontimi enyisa question no ano emfa emano na question by na Daniil Medvedev ebusa no ekradwa mom yentie question no na yenya yemfili question no eso kakra nya so obisa no say we the oldest player watimaje and watch no Grand Slams no waje makuma 24 they so dia biom na wo pe o gede fa dwuma no to na ko enu yensam odi tu dwa ya dem enu watch no and Novak Djokovic baka no pai with the 20 celebration o pay tribute Edmund the late Kobe Bryant na o share t-shirt na ya twam 24 eno ene ebusa no so panyini DNT and o share shirt number 24 o se o pay tribute at the late Kobe Bryant eno so no Novak Djokovic asa kan sam kirechiremo the ideas enu ntema o ya say o be pay tribute at the late Kobe Bryant yentia no so kakra.
Doing this t-shirt, you know, eventually if I get a chance to win the tournament, it was about 7 days ago. I didn't share it with anyone until a few days ago when I asked my people to help me out to make these shirts. Kobe was close friend. We chatted a lot about the winner's mentality when I was struggling, with the injury and trying to make my comeback, work my way back to the top of the game. He was one of the people that I rely on the most. He was always there for any kind of counsel, advice, any kind of support in a most friendly way. So of course, what happened a few years ago and him and his daughter passing hurt me deeply, and I thought, 24 is the jersey that he wore when he became a legend of Lakers and world.
Wọ́n say the late Kobe Bryant time I know what else now. Obey legend Edima Lakers now. Jersey number na Oshano aye 24. Na Oyobia Brown no Novak Djokovic or Bryant or on Kasaya person etunu for Ebuano. Man come back in to me by and to say now or say Jersey number 24. Brobe legend Nasane also about Grand Slams what magic 24. No say Ope tribute as so Edimano na young Ramo boxing kakra or Reverend Joe Joyce as so Edin Sambia Tuja was in the year 2024 or Peso Kuntokobi one Alexander Usyk and or Peso Anenoko na and Tokobi Denim was the later part of this man na Obekumaya Obekwa Brantia your friend Zlai Zank and one in the Bako na Onu Joe Joyce and Zlai Zank Ekubie no didn't soon kunima a bem mandatory fighter or Betimino Reverend Alexander Usyk as so Ajapim so na bia I have fine was so be challenging on FO Pima WBO IB Wealth and WBA that titles now that we be sweat my camera na concert Tyson Fury and then Alexander Usyk was on the all for money on for legacy and we and some other to na young ram Okata Ningan so Pima officially and run a FIBA basketball World Cup no etimi eba na wie Emma Germany basketball team and a team winning here now Kopema is said 2027 but FIBA basketball World Cup Ebetuja as so Wakata Ninjan so Rama or more etimi over as so the moment no bra a closing ceremony no as so Etuja Ewa Manila Opium El Manila Ewa the capital of Philippines and it's a closing ceremony no etimi toja and no Edel Panopiuma young Zagreb Kakra Ninjan so Opiuma and a continental Togo, you know, Eguswa Toja, na Enopima, Branta Bakar Ferdinand, Omanyala, as you ate me a power 100 meters now, and maybe pay a fine. Now, choir, or team every 100 meters now, na Fena Ede, Ultra Ferdinand Omanyala, Nessa 100 meters now, what the 9.77 seconds, and as so share, as to chase now, or the area maybe be a head now, a call kama, and no Ede by a jejamo, as so at the Amamo, and what Jumadian so and some pinia di amamo na yantin sim na yanhwe baba why friend Shaka Richardson na opiama so far on the career mo ono so no for the first time but a 100 meters ono etimi a place world number 1 but latest ranking etimi etoja the points baba friend Shakari Richardson etimi nya no 1472 points and otimi nya ya ono so edi a place first and no edeba ye jejam edamao na Rama Brante Bakwa ye Noah Laws obekaya after what the latest championship now and obekan sembi ni nyina fa America omo NBA na omo bono eso omo to adu obeje obe champion no eso world champion eso domestically mo na mo bom ho e man bekan sempi and what no mo sane ye edigu no so wa babonten abe clarify no ma was it to be honest I truly think the NBA is the best. That was never the doubt, but there is a level of not understanding the two sides of sport. There is the national side and there is the world side, and you can't have the world championship title without facing the rest of the world and no air clarification. Whatever me any training moves no so yanasa no abran wo dia sakakra na no allows air training no na say o show ni dancing moves no so kakra and no there ba join on Facebook ya de ama and e odwumade no so yantinsim na anya adwuma na opiemo Ali Bobo konmo abi premu pa adwuma Egypt na Roma former Dortmund player ya fene Anthony Modest na Abrante na sem no kasai onam kwanso o Roma Cairo o kwede and you kwed medical no akosan contracted amatima ya fene Nadi Elali e Egypt no akoba adwuma eso e de ama wo as a free agent no edeba na piemo china Harambee Stars Kenya national team no china omo e friendly game ball on South Sudan na no pay omo yo mu training no na omo training no na so far ayekama na ayefe after some kochi kata bomo e tuwa no Harambee Stars no ma e debi keke omo get number 1 wo e Kasarani Stadium no e china e 4 p.m. na sa game no e so betuma totwa no e deba mi jam AFCON yemro for qualifiers no no and no resource be to twan fama mo na pema nura Malawi etimi ni Guinea aboye eba na wie he na se Malawi atwa Guinea 2-2 ebo 2-2 Mozambique etwa Benin 3-2 Cote d'Ivoire etwa Lesotho 1-0 Mauritania etwa Gabon 2-1 DR Congo etwa Sudan 2-0 Comoros and Zambia bo 1-1 and Senegal and Rwanda bo 1-1 na yentwa Adaskolana and so etotwa Sunday dia no yentwa Northern Nigeria etwa Sao Tome and Principe Kenso Montante Bryant Victor Osimhen Patrick Enra yentwa Victor Osimhen and run first going to open no etomo no okopia God's Wall Atobio Stadium na nya for the agro enra crowd ni shake ye na enra brand first goal etimi tomo no de stadium next one in so kachre na so far upiama waba abe the first player since 2018 Johnny Gallo ebo hat-trick the Super Eagles no or no and asabo hat-trick ejamomo wabe the 13th Nigerian player what mo hat-trick ejamomo national team no and no ede baye jam Togo esu etwa Cabo Verde eka emiensa emomo so te eka no mieno enu akinu piama na Senegal esu eni Congo omu game no pass no ekwo 22 enu ede de mama na Sofian countries qualify 22 countries omanya qualify ekwo akopiem eso ewo eye Cote d'Ivoire 2024 Cote d'Ivoire host nation wa qualify Algeria Burkina Faso South Africa Cabo Verde yo Egypt yo Equatorial Guinea and yo Guinea yo Guinea Bissau South Africa Mali qualify Morocco Nigeria Senegal yo South Africa Tunisia Zambia Ghana and yo Angola yo Tanzania Mozambique DR Congo Mauritania says the Gambia a qualify becamo says you're trying opium ewo Cameroon the group no way group C no you're trying joba becamo se Cameroon ebo se Namibia neba se Burundi and neba Kenya there want to be qualify now show my so far be bremha all per countries or mu qualify ewo group stages so munya most points on points now draw say Algeria or mu enya 16 points and watch no Pema Nigeria enya 15 points Egypt so enya 15 points Mali enya 15 points and Senegal so enya 15 points and no ede dawa ye jeja mu edama mo and na anopai ewo dwumade no so na yentinsim na enya dwuma wo Euros no opiam so far Euros no enra games ni bitimi to the resource buy ni say and enra resource no ekopima Kazakhstan etwa Northern Ireland ekaba comment 20 Faroe Islands na wo ama Moldova ebomo ekaba comment 20 Montenegro etina fie etwa Bulgaria 2-1 ama Finland asune Denmark game Denmark ekotwa mo ekaba kwa comment 20 na Denmark game bana we no and Manchester United player ye freno Rasmus Holland me pacho oje megaphone no na o kansem bi de kire Denmark fans ni yente kakra
Sompa Sports.
Ninyina ne se obo fans na baso omatima ta omachi ama no makoye edamo ma omu pass no de to omachi Euros no omu qualify ko ba djuma ama be kama ye Jude Bellingham England ade se omu ni Ukraine game no ekoye 1-1 e ba na we no okwa England team pass na Jude akwa Ukraine omu team pass no no a mistake and we pass ni si wono eno okwa kofra eno okofra Ukraine for there no eno e Donna Kawoka asu eshe god ma England ama so far opiama na 77th game wa bama England no wetimi anya first goal dia momo ena Garfsat ge dia betutwa ese Bryant friend Kawoka anka or retire from a national team no for 2 times on any kasa yansana over back was say after World Cup abra France etchom shomo quarter finals no anka or retire and on any kasa no over back and watch no after Euro 2020 finals shootout Italy England show no and no soon can retire and on any kasaya was I ever back and no edit dawa Garfsat gate as so edit tuja ya de mamo na upiama yam fan to name as Albania fans no almost attacking Poland fans after say omuchi Poland as so 2-0 no Albania fans no to Poland fans so attack nanya for the agro ni Euro qualifiers no me sisi ye and ye jeja mu edama mo e wo dwumadi dwumadie no so na wurama abrantia ye fen Adrian Rabiot eso ade atudwa wose na no hwe 30 man list bi atodwa for Ballon d'Or na ni din amam no na ono deserves and nominations no ono Adrian Rabiot ni din etimi bamu bi efiso hwe dwumadie yi anta review oboard ma Juve and France na osefata enu achiru piemo Juventus official company na Juventus yo modia ezofo no oma babonta bedinai so munye so mu ton Juve ne omunye so mu ton ni china eno ede ba ye jamo Marco Verratti ono so ne ya wo touch down e wo kata okosan contract adam Arabi team no salary obegina fe 35 million euros ska obeje 50 million euros ko edema PSG eno ede ba Nicolas Pepe eso touch down e wo take okoya adwuma edema Trabzonspor na mega Wakama Trabzonspor France adima Nicolas Pepe no na eswani so ka kire omo celebrate no omo Wakama no mani ye fe omo Wakama ni ye de asa yakono eno ede dawa ye jamu eso edema mu na no pai ewo dwumadie no so na okopiem ade se English referee ye fan Anthony Taylor china dwumadie omo ye fe no Germany national team and France ebe friendly game oboron Signe Iduna Park on the Belgian finfin already an opam the 20 essence fle koma pam no Rudivola and better bench am bia kama na France training head of a friendly game omni Germany bebo no mu train hwegwa Brant Osman Dembele etimi share training na efe na esefata say your ball abaso hwe babia Osman Dembele fa ball na opiapia ball no na ode ball no ekoto atenama na anikana ayasoni eno ede dawa ye jejam edamamo na yemgramo Argentina omuso kopiemo Bolivia China World Cup qualifier omni Bolivia na bebo na yenhwe airport or Bolivia airport ni padome koboshia ya omo epe Messi etimahwa no na enye ni pakuma ada Messi piemo Bolivia omo pe Messi awenwe upiemo Bolivian airport ni padom na koshia omo pe Messi yenhwe Bolivia street na so mukra ye for La Paz ni pa ewo street ni ma de Argentina bas na eba no obi pe Messi etimahwe na China game no eye ade se ebetodwa na babia betodwa La Paz no na se eye bet 3637 meters above sea level na se wo enso so na se altitude no so is Argentina players no omamo oxygen tube ombo amahome eso etima kokama eso ede ama wo mo enya sa home na emu ayehye emframa no mu ayehye eso ede ama wo mo eno ede dawa ye de ama mu yenyina so na nsema odo a ye boaboa no enne anopai ewo full time dwumadie so no yemfa ensi wa na de akanyina no eso entimi ntoa so emfama mo
wahwese wakosho akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yakasira wo se untimi nchanti e me chance number na so ya keke nemom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yakako bebia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro iniane me say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash amana ye mremremra ma o ye obe ya de say obe dial star 110 hash netua kakọ merchant bia ho e wo network bia so
Vodafone. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
The first days of Beat the Odds has concluded. Now that you're settled into the new season, you still have the chance to win. Beat the Odds this season and you can walk away with the grand prize of 250,000 cedis in cash, plus amazing weekly free bet prizes. Enter today. Visit betway.com.gh for more information. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply. Betway, for the love of the game.
Studying abroad can be tough. Top-tier Study Abroad Consult has made it easier for you with a team of 18 years studying and traveling abroad experience. We assist students in pursuing bachelor's, master's, postgraduate, and doctorate programs in US, Canada, UK, Australia, and among others. We provide SAT, IELTS, and TOEFL classes to aid you excel. We can help you get partial or full scholarship to study in the United States and Canada. Locate us at Kumasi Amakum, adjacent Bank of Africa. Call or text us on 0260411 or send us a WhatsApp message +1 646 659 5045. Accra office, Medina Rolling Circle, CC Hagan Plaza Building, opposite Medina Polyclinic. Call us on 020-3592-008. Takrade office, adjacent NK City Fire Service, Ifia Quanta Road, near Fijai School Park. Call us on 059-800-7852. Top tier, just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you ranks to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How bebre na me komu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na me chika seso na me honam nyina ya meya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oya me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa pa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. What nane relaxation aye de awoto so a wunya wo mu ne se Royal Foam mattress aye papa eche yie aye quilted mattress inti woda so a ama wona ye foam se woto mattress free Royal Foam a teche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ne carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots ewo Ghana fananyina free 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
What's so dumb? Ama, afei na wo hwehwe do.
Oh, medofopa. Ntawantawa bi wo ne udofo ntemu ana.
Oh, odo somimo.
Odo somimo.
Oh, Jai.
Sonim se medofa. Jumedie ibawa kwemu yawada na jubia. Efri nundu dikosi dumienu. Ewo Sompa 93.1 FM.
Kaise eye odo somimo.
Mecha wotaki chai movie. Yeah.
Introducing Pick 4 from Game Park Games, the easiest lottery to play and win. Pick 4 numbers from 0 to 9 up to 3 times a day to become one of our daily winners. More moolah, more power. Play online at www.gameparkgames.com or dial *946# to play. Game Park Games is regulated by the National Lottery Authority, not for persons under 18. Play responsibly. Pick 4 from Game Park Games. More moolah, more power.
Alright, ya momode na yenkona na komiaba na yetimi enhwemrera mu kakra na mon kwekwa no birthday special Ricardo yenkona yambobo so ntentema na yerewram na de akebie ntimi enkoso ti happy birthday nko enfama Michaela ko school Royal Life Montessori School o maame ye friend Reggie One o papa edi solo na wa antenana ese enko ntimi enfa emanti Michaela ina yoda nyamisha papa nyina be akwada pa na de opbi embra mu ntimi enfama na fi special one enko enfama Gladys Anane Dorona for Princess ene wonya 7 years uku school ewa Rice Academy zo Princess happy birthday eramu fama na nyamisha na fi binko enfama Kingsley Mills nso no ewo swedro entina ye woda no bro nyame hia papa no mwa na bibibia nso pebia no emramu entimi emfama na ebi nkwa emfama Mrs. Rita Asantewa eni mami kunedu si enko entimi emfa ema mame na nyame hia papa na ye woda no bibibia ndeda din kama pa entimi emfama na ebi enramu fama nana ewua Afriye Williams Jr. Enenso Junior nso no ne da na Junior so no ne o mame your friend Madam Comfort ewua ajewa ochade wo konongo diju o se na yo da nyame hia papa na onso no nyina be pimpa na bibibia amramu kama so no entimi emfama na ebi nko emfama nana ya beki ene ye beki so no ne da oro ani chema abrekuma ona beki ewozo beki a special one nko entimi emfama na nyame hia papa na ne mandeda di so no entimi emfama na nana ya oboama Libya boga na ameze ene mase na woda ti me baby girls no ne gina ni mu no di na ya aboama Libya boga sere nkofo birthday barrier omo no ene eberew edi anopi man didi metwen o zambama waso be shikakra se odi azo nyamisha papa na omwa na onya wakoma so adi nyina kama pefa kofo ayefra okwa han na waje ayi akwa han na waje we han di no birthday nya yikra Nuruddin Abdul Aziz Nakamura Accra Heart to Folk di Nuruddin erade mo anu hia pa na season we di prebiamba na nya hode na fabra bra be ye adwuma no na ne man koye pa entimi efama na special one ko enfama obapa so ro ani chemo techi ma no wo tine obapa yo da no nyame hia pa na bibia enko kama so no entimi efama na to tiende da dina Paulina Asantewa enesu ye mame Pauline so no ne da Atebu College of Education o se bon susi enko enfama na bibia so no ende da ye kama pa enfama mame Pauline na Priscilla Phoebe and so no from Odisheba Calvin ne yosenko enfama Prisi na ntoto ende da yeso kama pa enfama na afi Rene abena afiye ene wa ukunu yima Rene abena afiye ne wa ukunu yima esi enfama na nyame hia papa na ayoda no ntoto ya no de da yeso no entimi enfama na bi enfama Salifu Ibrahim Salifu so no ene ye minua ne da oro ani chemo kumawa na jezerodo na afeni sporty man ene so yoda zobro happy birthday eramu fama na afi so no Sheila AJ ene so ye Sheila so no na woda na Sheila ene ayoda no ye so do ani echemo makra ho na wa onso no obomode etimi abo edjumanti niamande da di man na bibia enko kama pa fama na David Dollar man ye ne na wo fidema okwa MC awa hona dollar wa obo ejuma na dollar wa wife mata arope no de tuma me say odopa na nyame hia na ayoda ne amanko yi na fia so no ye check bruta na Emmanuela adu wani chima Francois also na Emmanuela wono so no ne da special one nko entimi enfama ella na bibibia so no entimi endeda di na nema enko kama pa di mamere za asia na men komanim na komia ba na me no ento aso me za bibia aboko de
nyame adomahwe ni experience
Republic of Macedonia
yes North Macedonia
okay North
Macedonia the North okay. North Macedonia no.
Amuni
Italy for no. Once we Luciano Spalletti first game.
Yes.
Ntina ye ni wo honum. Definitely over some time now no. The FIGC Amani said the problem was with Mancini. And the Mancini so dia bufu ni amemfen. Ekopie mo Saudi Arabia ko fa ho. It is now no Saturday discuss a lot about on the project okwakoy no Saudi Arabia. But over in context to Luciano Spalletti, ni jumedi ono so ba be dia. This was not a game that he expected it to end this particular way. But in such national teams, then once the national team you look as in terms of in terms of the World Cup over the Euros, so the number of trophies of Argentina. But this time around, no man said I'm going from these particular national teams. It's a question of one scapegoat, 1 year for scapegoat. A coach na say a system no. And now we game the Italy even after scoring the first goal had to defend a lot. Now what's na so in terms of the results they PM the quality of players are. Obebusa question say are the only players sana. Donnarumma on that goal post Mudima Paris Saint-Germain as a number 1. Who Di Lorenzo who ko PM on Napoli or a starter. I'm not sabo under coach or coaching war Napoli. There is not supposed to be any excuse for him to perform.
Lorenzo is on a Napoli captain.
Yes. What they are not told Chiano about Gianluca Mancini. Mwamba Bastoni for Inter Milan, Di Marco as a left back, Barella, Bryant Cristante, Sandro Tonelli, Matteo Politano, Ciro Immobile, and Zakagni. Now, Uremwa, or Ma, who come with teams maybe able to make your machine, Jensen will move there. Ye fat top players, or Moon Shedani players, or Moye Gidibias, and Matthias Politano, Napoli is Sapa. Zakagni for Lazio is there, but not necessarily a top player in that particular setup. But if you look at Barella, Bryant Cristante, Tonelli, these are strong midfield players that should be giving you results at the end of the day. And then Bona was some more say to me but with the under Spalletti, no be one as not I'm a first game. No, these were players that look so off when it comes to how Obesity are dominated this particular encounter. Di Marco or thriving more in a 3-back system than even a 4-back system. But here lies the case here, Di Marco, about the left back. How do you get the best out of Di Marco playing as a left back, not necessarily as a left wing back? It's a question for more reason or no. But omo line up the 20 and people money need to supply you na Roma. Omo did not attempt because of this goal.
Oh, we nenye.
Chromo phone you almost there be free so called Paris Saint-Germain no. Ne mo de mo ko almost be ojina na nye bo free kick ni mo free kick ni be share no. And abu we head in the position be ojina na one abo no so ko share.
As we need more than more of him.
Omo jitum say we need money dey abu dia bi.
Ah. Awe na nya kofu ya na ama Italy anko World Cup.
Omo na ama Italy anko World Cup.
Itele we ya di o ze elo mo show la lewo be ya draw.
Ele no mo ba be ya draw. But the scapegoat no mo yi no. Omo se Donnarumma mo mpia ni si national team mo mane mo biem. Omo ma Vicario Tottenham Hotspur for go keeper la for the sisi adnaban. Na no Saturday o se me ka se bi cho se o one player. Free AC Milan ko pie mo Paris Saint-Germain no mo dwane na hu ni se the level no mo expect so bedru no onu ho. Another scapegoat almost Ciro Immobile near the captain no crowd mumpekra na goals no wo anu ahye ba ko bi no ko anoma providing list where they are say notable Italian players are goals almost share per game na the odikan Gigi River 42 games 35 goals but goals per game ni gina 0.83 Giuseppe Meazza odi omoje World Cup 53 games 33 goals 0.62 per 90 minutes Silvio Piola and then 34 games 30 goals. That means 0.88 goals per game. Roberto Baggio, 56 games, 37 goals, 0.48. Alberto Gladino, 57 games, 19 goals, 0.33. Luca Toni, Audi World Cup in 2006. 47 games, 16 goals, 0.34. Ciro Immobile, 57 games, 17 goals, or average 0.30. Tomuhuni say, strikers are even monocrana, is the captain someone na bono. It's the scapegoats have become two in the Italian national team, which personally Abu Dhabi, me feel say it is rather the system rather than even individual players are more blaming. Italy wants to move from playing international football to become a dominant force in terms of in possession football. It will take some time, and most of their players, you know, and they in their clubs no produce players in the national team, no. Most of them are buying foreign players.
Yes.
So it's not the Italian league, you know. Okoha teams be the AC Milan. Omo and the Italian players do na. Then Inter Milan the better foreigners do more because that is how it is international Milan. Sanity. But then Juventus set up no so check first 11 and checks ni free for Poland. Quadrado free one the call. But oyo move fifi on Pogba free
France.
Locatelli na Italian. In this game Campo yan 30 Locatelli. It is most of their players within the setup in terms of key players. Kostic Munina, Omunye, Italians. Yasi someone e do ma be dey. Ababeshim.
Danilo mo.
Bremen mu favor.
Omunina Brazil for.
It is San Vlahovic, Serbia. Kiasa no club bobo de bia na Allegri so sorry around the let check akara wala bobo kakra. Then you move to AC Milan. AC Milan front four no cry Hwambo. Olivier Giroud France. Christian Pulisic
US.
Rafael Leao
Portugal.
Junior Messias.
Yeah, all those fee.
Brazil Brazil no free buy.
Oh, okay.
Obi free bench so be replacing your one Chukwueze.
Also for Nigeria.
Over midfield two now Loftus Cheek and Tijani Reinders.
Baku Holland, Baku for England.
Aha. Their key player in terms of defense, you want Tio Hernandez over here.
France.
Goalkeeper so free.
Goalkeeper so free France. About we are AC Milan so like no crowd starting lineup on them say Italy for Omundru free o. Omundru
3. It affect omo. Then ukopie mo Inter Milan omo ni international na. And omo goalkeeper yan wan.
Goalkeeper is your mark of a Ukraine goalkeeper.
Aha.
And Denaba.
Ana Germany, Switzerland goalkeeper ya no.
So you mean you
then Yansome. Then no about Bastoni. Italy. Then no about Stefan Divide.
Holland.
Milan Skriniar is here on every one we had the call. Di Marco, Italy. Denzel Dumfries. Holland. Nicolo Barella.
Italy.
Hakan Çalhanoğlu. Turkey. Then Ubakwen Molotaro Martinez mo.
Argentina.
Marco from Marcus Thuram denied France. Abu. Italian national team, they have a big problem.
A hard dream. The Obobo Bosono. Oh, check him there. You cry, AC no cry there. David Calabria.
Almost set up back to Pierre.
Fikayo
Tomari.
Omunina so yawo.
Awo. Iti. Omo anan komukuta national team no. And omunina no. They are buying internationals, and it is changing from how Italy is sitting warm. Now, only that was for us. We now for so for one. Germany. Now, after 2018 World Cup, Germany has not been the same again. Omoje World Cup 2014, no more 2018, no more free group stage. You know, it is more or less say no more to say old guns more team also more from the new players here day ever. And that is why they found say the problem. So it was a time for transition. But I asked myself, say Germany and Pano, I didn't a transition. The free 2018 basis summary. When you old guns don't run every, but still national team performance and the eternity, it doesn't change. And they didn't scapegoat Hansi Flick because of Muji Tum said the performances over the last few games has not been good. You might agree with them that it is true because in the last 5 games, our Bono 3-2 against Belgium loss. 3-3 against Ukraine, draw. Against Poland, Omalusu 1-0. Then against Romania, Omalusu by 2-0. Then against Japan by 4-1. You can agree to the fact that the performances of the team under Hansi Flick has not been enhancing at all. And then it now boils down to even the win percentage and Sakran or the Baby free, Bayern Munich, the Ababe PMO Germany national team. 81% win rate between 2019 to 2021 for Bayern Munich. Then 2021-2023, 48%. But you ask a lot of questions. They say, and the Germany national team, Nankasa Abu Dhabi, share omu players omu wana. Can have it in your force number 9. You achieve something.
Enkoye.
Even the team Nankasa no, or Dane Nesano, you even say, yeah, Leon Goretzka ne Joshua Kimmich no bomb pivot no. Mamenfa Joshua Kimmich in number 2. No, you inverted to say the name. You who say players be say Alexander Trent Arnold Moye day. No. Ni nyina aso amfa mame edume bi koka so obe benche Leon Goretzka mu nyina de o ma konchen so o montena nche na ebi mu mbo eno so mu benche o ma o benche Leon Sani o benche Leon Goretzka Serge Gnabry o de o mu nyina ato nchen including Thomas Muller at a point in time o ka chen say wo national team de krama ba no krama wo nye dey emobiem ni nyina no results ama so he changes players, he changes system, he changes a lot of things, but yes still results no kwa na equal the same. Now on Saturday, Varas be video be of World Cup Qatar. Or Tramubo say or trust or mono mukabo mo make match yellow. Nini na so Ankosiaga. The biggest problem of the Germany national team does not have to do with the coach. Abu, it has to do with the system and personnel. Yes. Now, Germany, the level of quality na is susu or you trim some one omuni.
Quality no. Players here Germany way.
Omuni.
Who's that quality no of?
Omuni. Ya kasa my Germany center backs pa we dey better to John what level can we hwan.
Is that Robert Bre?
Aha. If you feeling Abeka say Leon Goretzka, anyone Joshua Kimmich. Even those two pivots Thomas Tuchel no Germany ni ko pie mu o Bayern Munich no. Oso mu mienu no on number 6 fufuro. Meboa.
Yes.
Amakofa Conrad Lima na dey. Aba. Yes to also number 6 fufuro. I didn't na Joshua Kimmich. Joshua Kimmich so who no number 6. Okoye interview ko ka say who no so number 6. Ben away. Leon Goretzka, Bayern Munich wanted to sell him. He decided so onu ni nyeden on free war. These are the two starters. Leroy Sani, how consistent no you Bayern Munich?
On and off kakra.
Serge Gnabry, how consistent?
Other crazy akra from.
So the key player you can rely on no, in Germany national team as it stands currently, player Germany for nyina anytime so nyina e akolare so 19 years. Jamal Musiala.
So German national team na Bafem.
Abafem. So they are also trying to sacrifice the coach. Okay, fine. We develop Mbabesum. Yanshe the way we develop Musuju Medie Beko. But according to these numbers, you definitely have to agree with the Dutch Football Federation as to some Mujana Kwine. Because Abu Dhabi, Shelester da honum Jackie Low, points per game ejina 2.09 Unya Joaquin Klinsmann ejina 2.06 Hansi Flick nkwa ejina 1.72 that means Hansi Flick is only better than Enrich Rebeck who coached the team between October 1998 to June 2000 it's Abu Dhabi baby ejina no if you read the numbers and points per game now me to me say it does not sound too well for a coach now replacement no and Abu Dhabi shalisti
abia we no quick one person machine
Oliver Glasner Rudy Voller Klopp Sama unya Klopp say I don't think Zinedine Zidane will be ready to coach
so why na person machine
Abu Dhabi should try Louis van Gaal
Germany
yes
Mate medase party ano ya Michael Komian Chemeko Bishop ona menne no etimi ato aso na aboana ne madeda ye pa etimi era ma Lucas Travel Consult semenka emfa troza akwanya na ba na obeko amanone nko ade a wo so form aso ye ne hwe ne aboana e ba medemante bibi ti se Canada USA UK France Greece Germany Netherlands Australia ni nyina edobere na ye re wakwa akuram no mo komo de ma na ye den so okosua de okoye adwuma okwa tena wa adesuafo no kreboa ege scholarship e de ma yeso niska kra frɛ eni omu ni nkomo oni omu di nkomo mo hyehyɛ pa de ma ni nyina ene so omo ye bibibia wi a visa na ba no afi na wokɔ akwa kotwe omo ka omo ni ngiska bi ansa omo ye bibia wi visa de ba no wakɔ kotwe omo ka ze open passport birth certificate na a bank statement no me di udwuma ere ama omo e wo Tema Gulf City omo number ni 0534 543 210 0534 543 na yazine Credo Amaso mo penko for a experience with Jumadi we muni omo bujuma marketing manager sales personnel receptionist administrator shop attendant house help and afia accountant no me abujuma na aboana ne ma de ye pa etimi ede amount na sidani bi sonko etimi emfa ema Royal Foam Ghana makanse Royal Foam mattress no onji bia wakichi sondede emu ede me konye me amachi me ano etu atwa after said ne ye de Royal Foam mattress ne ba e baba beboaze obo modern atom product ni bi omoboa osumnya beda so afa adwempa de ababro pa na aboama bibia akoye de ama ona ni sem ne so ombo modern a eni nuro wani chima 16th Ashanti Business Excellent Award no e organize on the 20th anniversary Edmo 24 to the second no omoji gold award enye no 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Excellence Award no omo enya award a e cheza mpo omo bojuma pa omo bie ultramodern showroom kese pa oko omo factory premises so asokore mampo no fiwa na ko CCC di ramo na Coco yi niema no de ope amanamba na efofa na to monkra na ye mo ananso nya 0202 27 1000 0202 27 1000 Royal Foam rest assured nembwa na bibibia ande ye pa entimi enfamanti mamenko na mini bishop ento aso na ye hwese de niema ni sietie ne de ewuram a ebo amantoto no so no etimi ekoyi na hyehye no so no ekoyi kama pa so etimi ede emanti ebe na yetimi ewuramu na yato aso na yawe sede niema de sie kone sede ntoto no esietie ne de abobo etimi ede bana aboana niema de dadi pa bishop na weekend na ye de
miranya me adum bibia aboko
emeni wo yenko
me da se pi ne akwanya de ama me no pay bibia beko yi kama bibia akomia wie na ho na me hyase na nensem na okan ni nyina no mejutu mbata nya akoma pa no de kantino enye se afi na meso mbe ha mani ama ye bibia Koku Germany no Brandorf Neuendorf on the DFB president Dosha Football Pond DFB Germany GFA is an friend. The decision to get a next coach is going to be a very critical one. Yes. Germany akwesi omakwapem na kopem ye no the quality of the team and your profile Kwaku Serge Gnabry is a good player.
Serge Gnabry, yeah.
Leroy Sané is a good player.
Yes.
Omu nyina abo national team nintem. Kai Havertz at the national team level he was okay. But Kwaku, the profile of players are Germany war. Any raising a team is a problem.
Germany.
Yes. Profile no. Kai Havertz they be our drop deep or people only be abo. Because first nine now born on the club side now no ball Leverkusen Kobo Chelsea. No. I have traditionally we play with a center forward.
Yes.
Two. Forget about the Obiabe control. The spatial awareness and intelligence. Some of the connected attack. Kavet ondru mula de na obono. Musiala ondru mula de na obono. Mula ne friend Ram de he understood space. Kwaku profile nem boy. And then why no one able to Nicolas Sul and Rudiger. A real for me. Nicolas Sul na ni me nu na wa ACL. Na oniwa wane beba.
Jonathan Ta wanted to change.
And I don't know pass be a fortune on Mumfa never about it so some my name fanning baby. Jonathan Ta by this time. Germany yes omo oil preachalize omo wings no. Na Klosterman.
Yes.
Any Halstenberg. That time no more Leipzig. Lucas Vlašmić. Nso be same fa. Okay, you're a sector. No, Cologne.
Me kind of pa.
No, the ball left back.
Me kind of pa.
Masa, team ni gu yenyen o. Ene Schlotterbeck.
Yeah.
No, ne Rudiger o mu che Ayase Ueda. Japan for the nine o mu che de 1v1 na keeper Ter Stegen never je team no. Germany lacks a lot. They lack a lot. Now, you have Germany coach options no. The only man to rescue them is Jurgen Klopp. No brainer.
Or no one ever.
Edumani and India. Maybe a Germany Bruno. They need somebody who will challenge the system. Na Klopp enya available. Kwaku Germany bought Euros will fee nkomo your favorites. Say Germany ye born next year Euros now in 9 months ye possible P. Germany your favorites for the European Championship. Na so team we here Klinsmann emfa Vanga akwado bi ampene ni mahwe okromo. So ne abeko de bia. Lothar Matthäus so di mpanyimfo na tema since omunfi no. Zidane hasn't got the capacity for national team football. Miroslav Klose because of our by Munich. Glasner, I have no doubt about him. We are more of Frankfurt.
Yes.
But Glasner is Austrian.
Oh, okay.
Austria for no more idea. And come far Rafranya Kidinokoi. Just think about it for a moment.
But we need is one football no. And saying a banner. But all the rest of national teams were there. Or more for zone for
exactly.
But Bishop, is what I have Giuseppe Carlo Ancelotti. So more
he does in Sisada. Dani. Kakra.
Is it Dani?
Dani. Kakra. Into the woman on the mirror. But Germany are the crossroads. Sir Klopp enya available. Sandro Wagner, Hannes Wolf, Oniru Divola. Among stabilize the team though. Nagelsmann is an experimental coach for a national team.
Oh, okay.
Onya brea. Obenya players in the my year jumo person or the omoyeno. Jobe Germany needs a trusted hand. I be there at this time. Shepno, a Drew Bloom for the Mannschaft. And I hope Germany be host the European Championship. No, I'm national team na embre. Still on the national team terrain mirror. Mehu Argentina for no PM or La Paz Airport. No, FA pa. We are world champions. Indeed, they deserve all this encomiums. A bomb Abaso, Germany say. I mean, FA now here's Argentina or La Paz na come on. Now Alexis McAllister, a Kobe. Now Luther King Kasano say the altitude is 3,637 meters above sea level. Kwaku also Alexis efa oxygen tank ni bi no here because a high altitude. Enunti ubenya tiare headache ubenya nisibre dizziness obe popo restlessness kwaku enoma bibre na oman bia ni ho omuhia a second invitation. Prior to the 2010 World Cup, Bolivia Argentina 6.
Mekaiba. That's about graduate Yakos Lejiguai. Lucho Gonzalez.
Exactly.
Mekaisa match.
So, you know, at two moda. This is not the first time. Born here, Boeing. Yeah, Bob on the Estadio Hernando Siles. And the National Stadium La Paz. Club Bolivia, Honom Bomo. Senior Bolivia National Stadium now. So 1930 no Musi Stadium.
1930.
A biggest stadium in Bolivia no. So when my stadium now have be a shot. Uni inti o person be stadium no every hon.
Oh wow.
So maybe a stadium nation. Now who about time no.
Yes.
Bolivia was through. Bolivia to say Ethiopia.
Oh, okay.
Into Coca Gauff, we one year careful hitting. First time I miss Ebola International Airport to Addis Ababa. Just me, CCCI, it was full of blood. Mujankwa, and I'm saying, hey, I didn't cancer. Now, baby, I would jam in chain or calming me down. Now, I check me hospital, airport hospital, and I'm a corner, monsieur. I ought to know, monsieur, baby, near the. I mean, so what I say, into Bolivia, the insanity, Argentina, higher number bono. I be that, a sipping. Into a movie in the Azango Musabium. Brazil called Bolivia, the Nuka nurse Kakra. In the dressing room, they make sure say Ubia was oxygen chamber. Look at them.
Yeah. It's all those boy, Chibobo, and ye.
There be just over Chenwa.
So we over Chia, so Besapa Balaten.
Balaten, the way to me, they are from 30 minutes. They are Canada, they are jogging. To me, Kabibi. Into footballers, no more on national assignment. Ebini. Ghana, ko Ethiopia, Mekai. They were struggling initially. Denmark, Finland 1-0. A Scandinavian derby. Omuni now or Northern Europe. Denmark capital Copenhagen. Finland capital Helsinki. Now Mbo born we and Rasmus Højlund. Omo winning 1-0. Yenti on the fans. TM say Parkenhead, Copenhagen, Holland, no fans, no more Germany. Holland, Denmark, they need the synergy. And your man among Norson, and our football no munimbo. I'm a former European champion.
Yes.
Good. Now, this young generation of Domsgaard, Michael Domsgaard, Højlund, I'm never be see Eriksen manai. We had in Finfia Eriksen a penny power. And some Eriksen be free on. There was this player at Ajax. I'm a midfielder be. Lasse Schoen. On an main man one Fifi. Lasse Schoen any hobby. Ukwechra, a boy now obo AC Milano. Kaya, Simon Kaya. Now he's the main man there. Uko go post numa, ne Schmeichel. Sa generation in I feed out. Omunina time aso. And Nimuno, no more Jorgensen. On an end that day, Nimo. Now a lot is changing. Yusuf Poulsen have emerged away anymore. But in Finfino and Kranadoso and Højlund, a crown not to be there anymore for the next generation of the Danish Dynamite team. A lot has changed with them, but they are winning games and they are winning it well. Netherlands, and so Anya a fabulous start, and Ramokosha Ireland 2-1. Now, one player I'm singling him out from the start to the season, Kweku, Denzel Dumfries. In 5 games, Denzel Dumfries for club and country, or 4 clean sheets. He's involved in 4 clean sheets, or 4 assists as a fullback, and all 1 goal. Then Rahoni could the Gakpo quite penalty in the first buyer. It shows a player in form, and Gakpo, Oba England, the game has changed. He's becoming a more rounded player because baby offer ball no. Anything you see a rush say Oba Ireland for so a true ball ma Gakpo fast so quite goalkeeper no. Emma Dumfries quite goalkeeper and clearly shows that Ronald Koeman and the Netherlands have rediscovered their mojo. And I say me Berghaus. So on also look, you see Wout Weghorst getting the winning goal. They came from behind.
Yes.
It clearly shows a team that is on the rise. Again, I was saying Pennyphone a buon crown, and Denzel Dumfries is actually leading that charge for them. Mario Luis Rubiales and a Piers Morgan interview.
Share no
na Kwaku the BCBA no crown a subject issue, but will resign. He saves his family the trouble. Now, person we critically. Now, English subtitles. No, me the 1 minute better the India near Saudi for no is as much political as it is economical. Nenya Saudi Arabia and Kwanenya. Mohammed bin Salman addressing a conference for the MENA region. Tieno.
إن أوروبا الجديدة هي الشرق الأوسط. المملكة العربية السعودية في ال5 سنوات القادمة سوف تكون مختلفة تماما. البحرين سوف تكون مختلفة تماما. الكويت حتى قطر على خلافنا معاهم لديهم اقتصاد قوي سوف تكون مختلفة تماما بعد 5 سنوات. الإمارات، عمان، لبنان، الأردن، مصر، العراق والفرص التي لديها. إذا نجحنا في ال5 سنوات القادمة سوف تلتحق فينا دول أكثر وسوف تكون النهضة القادمة في العالم في 30 سنة القادمة في الشرق الأوسط إن شاء الله. هذه حرب السعوديين، هذه حربي اللي أخوضها شخصيا، ولا أريد أن أفارق الحياة إلا وأرى الشرق الأوسط في مقدمة مصاف في العالم، وأعتقد أن هذا الهدف سوف يتحقق 100%.
الله يعطيك طول العمر يا سيدي.
So ya masho.
Me masho me pa.
Mr. Jeff to asumami.
Abazo. Ya go them say
that's always the dream. Even in school,
it is his war.
Oh no, war on there.
Onmu ansa na omedi nkunim. Omedi nkunim ansa na omawu. In the medium term, 5 years time, Saudi Arabia be different. Ebe overturn Europe. No yes sir. Obi abedi na chi, Jordan bedi na chi, Kuwait bedi na chi. Empo omatamfo Qatar. Omo no more differences. And so economy ni e, omo so be sorry. No omo sorry ya. Egypt be sorry.
Wow.
What you say next time omo mpesi ka ma play ahun. Unyanhwe.
Next time they go work Real Madrid will be
in the next 5 years. Obedin kunim. In 30 years the great renaissance eh ho.
The entire Middle East.
Na obe hu bi. Ansa no wu. Eh ne ntokwa no shebo say 100%. Nkonya ne 98% impo. 100%. Mohammed bin Salman say Obedin komo.
Now they are what he has done. Very soon Onika they saw the difference. Now it's about leading the Middle East in making sure that will be the next Europe. And omo nyina omo bota pa no say yen kasa see na we ase nyina a movie shift yakọ mo. So he will lead the charge, and trust me, almost combined they have money than the world times 20.
Omo come boma.
Oh masa,
almost sika sem no workshop ah.
Can we see almost too much. So they can do it. And good, this guy is a smart guy. Or a politician or strategist. They will achieve it.
Wow.
They will achieve it. Almost the sika Tonyansa, that's them.
Saudi
no, the Middle East.
Middle East.
Now, Katawaka, bro. Wow, share near my ocean.
Na konopa.
Aha. Some Muska. And two expect more before Ghana. Who will be our being almost here for Jimmy, making sure say they pick you pay money. Yes.
Okaye.
Obetio Okaye.
Subano, so what be the dance here?
Juma by awareness times 3 cry. That's them. So, yes. This young man, me I admire him. He's a smart guy. I mean, found I'll be a found. Or a smart strategy young man. Yes. Sabi any pantonia perfect, but positively near my why look. The papa also say look at how with a short time what transform Saudi Arabia of football. And the Neon project will take place, it take shape very soon, 30-30. Neon project naka 7 years. How they are there? And Neon project the city we are seeing your own bidder. And so I'm as a bishop of Saudi Arabia because I'm no. See, we are student now who call lecture theater, we are just a spectacle. The Niatabe change na o kind of space no so. That's what they want to achieve. Yes, when you book, you don't need a tablet. When you have a good space no so. That's what they want to achieve in the next 7 years. So we the about somebody also back. But it's good. A bit challenging, a bit shaky the foundation of Europe. How European Americans, fortunately for America, will be your major ally. But against a shaky foundation, they will struggle to maintain the economic power again. So for some of this, you see, I'm from EPL, don't be mad for La Liga, Real Madrid, because they need such decision to make a statement of how I'm arriving. On the board Real Madrid, Barcelona, you that was their face. Next we be the biggest clubs. Only Liverpool for Salah, because I know your statement signings for them. Yes, but Timia Rahul say, yeah, we have arrived.
We the bre na club World Cup ko fu ko je ba ko. Ya wu Kuba.
There's a project.
Was it opposite project so ba no I Man City mo be bre o. O mo Hilal for ko so o be bre o.
Yes.
O be bre pa.
Because o me
e fala to say last time you saw. O be bre pa.
Now we want some measures on me agi some on person mo ji operation on betimi agi. Say no betimi. So bet say no betimi agi. They can win it. Shege reason betimi tuafa agi.
Wow.
Wave over the 100 million.
Manchester City and as a Newcastle. Football may say a corrupt sport. Manchester City have a major Champions League and Newcastle the Champions League. Now Newcastle any Al Hilal ebe boa. No minimum don't make a Newcastle for.
Now so we a game Al Hilal winning. Win that.
This is a never bomb we no. It's hard for no.
Yeah.
I'm never bomb. Karim Benzema. ele Fabinho
masanya bad sao
bezi
omo no be bopa
adu interesting pow if you say there say Coco South Americans no
in fact one share kakra ka mbe take care South American performance in recent times don't be the best
yes
mbe you move for Hokra
Africa the only Saudi Arabia final ality had the Man City omo kwa Dubai bad there na beka
masa
and omo kwa Abu Dhabi bad there
for purpose of security the Man City bet me lose 2-1 no matter
a shell
oh
na wa jena you
say project no you see yeah that's it Maza, we are joking. Yeah, leaders. They are grown. Only leaders, they are serious. So they say, okay, right. So Miko tennis, Coco Gauff. Behind every success, there are storylines about this. This girl, so far, Kenny Trano, Wimbledon, 6 weeks, the 7th week ago, first round. But let's watch this young girl. On say first, no, at that be Okatos ni papa Nuko Stadium. Or memory of Nema ni papa ko stadium come matches in the AC. Yeah, unfortunately, in 99 there na Serena Williams ni papa Nuko again Martina Hingis no. Any 2001 Serena Williams, any Venus Trano US Open. By year 2012 there no. And Serena Williams versus Victoria Azarenka. Yeah, Coco Gauff and papa Nuko. So this is an 8-year-old girl, Coco Gauff. Also ni 2 years ni papa Neba US Open to come and watch US Open. Now this is the 3rd US Open ni papa Corey Edinaba. Now beyond after this, Anna Okobo the Bowl Junior American champion and we a tournament bringing up the best young tennis players. And Steffi Graf 22 Grand Slam winner or a champion in that. Monica Seles 9-time champion. Slam champion, also winning that title. Jennifer Capriati winning. So baby a developing young top talent. Now finally ni papa etimima Okobobi and she won it. And now after that 2019 at the age of 15 years 3 months Oba Wimbledon 15 years Wimbledon Neman Shedan Kuyi. I mean she's been struggling a bit but at least Oshimusa. Now Oba last year Oko French Open finals. Oluzuti Gaswatek 6 laps 6-3. Never pardon Corey. Now Oba Wimbledon this year. Oba Luzia to Sophia Kenin. From that time, ni papa once again the issue of parent. Ni papa take the Corey take decision. Say, Okwa kon papa bi. Na papa no. Papa na train sa. Ni papa ko na training girl no Coco sa. Papa bi other officer wa pim on him obi. And all the Brad, Papa we, Okra Racket, Brad Gilbert. Now Brad Gilbert, no a former tennis player. He's won 20 singles title, not slams, but ATP titles, Masters title. Now, no, or your expert, Andre Agassi, 8 titles within 1994-2000. No, Ama Andre Agassi winning 6 titles, Grand Slams. Then Andre Agassi is the best, greatest coach he has ever had. Andy Roddick, only US Open winning Andy Roddick title, 2003. Him. So proud to this, we're winning 7 Grand Slams as a coach.
Oh, okay.
Or no, in believing in fine tennis, or say win ugly. Nobody cares how nice it is. Or try book right to that effect. Now, Obano, while man, the aggressive place aside, the first serve, fierce aside, and on some man, near Dinia Hondimbi, and to say, or lose the first set by 2-6 to Arina Zabalenka, no, or relax here. One. It is a 19-year-old girl. One was so cry on your butre, relax, and call for the second set, which she won by 6-3. Now, the serve has improved tremendously. Now she served at 165 km per hour. Proud to honor, but not serving 120. Why improving girl? No, brilliantly. Now, the game against Arina Zabalenka. On any day, Arina Zabalenka is the best server in women tennis today. Oh, don't forget Australian Open champion this year, champion or Chalna Rabekana. Now, this is what all means to her. Of that was an excellent. This is an excellent forehand. Now another strike from her, and then on the backhand, another court also. Now this means a lot to this girl because ne papa de ne ba nyina no ne role model Serena Williams. The role model is Serena Williams. And the papa de ne ba nyina hwe nyina de bia Serena Williams are role models. She's a black girl. Adia Serena Williams papa a year ma Serena Williams or year man no papa year man no 3 years ago. Serena Williams papa no year no say niente Serena Williams found or we are doing say or fa young boys and young girls but no move no button oh we are drew sebi mpese me kan so mo ti dinner attend ma there's a pan yes I say e share din say oh button and so to kwan e be your side no bi and how we react to it or ye ne ba no bisa e na ne ba no abaye we oni legal okay we ba maintain the interview no me kan so about interview no or can try about nipa.
Like a month ago, I won a 500 title, and people said I would stop at that. 2 weeks ago, I won a 1,000 title, and people were saying that was the biggest it was going to get. So 3 weeks later, I'm here with this trophy right now. I tried my best to carry this with grace, and I've been doing my best. So honestly, to those who thought who were putting water on my fire, you're really adding gas to it. And now I'm really.
Now we are young boy and a young girl. Listen, this is a 19-year-old girl speaking, but ni papa actually no values me no. Value is about gonna say, kaineti asia say, we are see we, say when in your ding, ne jumading. These 2 values, hard work, discipline, and do huni. Very key. Don't give up. Now, then, and no war beyond that. The reason why I can't win is that we need 3 consecutive titles. Washington Open, she won and beat Maria Sakkari in a wonderful, brilliant performance. Then, about Cincinnati Masters, if I should beat Iga Swiatek, our semi-final, the first time in 7 meetings, and then Caroline Muchova. Ochano e win here. Then the main one, ningina mono ni paso akwe munjano. We are no bet me I want to be bia. We are also winning tonight oh. We crimes and betomu and over winning. So I know kind of say was silencing Crawford. Almost full so we are, but what has made them what is because Nema papa no did no values no. Ama and found near nipe Kenya or your focus on what you should become. And trust me, this is my way to say Emma Raducanu, way to say Naomi Osaka. The father is deeply involved to make sure so associated, and then no more a 62-year-old top experienced trainer in Brad Gilbert, who is ready to help me buy a bonus say uncle yet to say two no we are on say Andrew Richardson. Okay, Andrew Richardson. Andrew Richardson Emma Raducanu. We are no permanent because Kaba. Then also Sasha Bajin and Naomi Osaka. Who since then Osaka bread. We $3 million a beefy. We cool $3 million.
Would you win $3 million?
$3 million beefy.
Wow.
And me bomb pie say the father will remain with the coach Brad Gilbert. Non peja kwa. I think in 19 there are more to come in the career, but that decision is very, very important. I mean, say I'm ready what they are. Oh yeah, the me can't also be saying. Say me so be saying. Me can say obedi be 20 seasons.
Yes, yeah.
We're 24 and counting. Mo against you now.
On GBM. On GBM. On GBM. On GBM.
What him so Australian opi 100 or that croffer. What him say?
Bye be kwa koje no.
Why?
Oh. Akas be kwa koje.
Oh chia. Oh Danny Modevich want to me no.
Yeah, share that.
Once I made me try to say. Baby you.
Ba me call Roxy o ma so ko di ko ba ka. Ba get ya kwa ba.
Any of
na bibi aboko de
Krista do we
madam for na ba no ofia so abentene nka bi mu oba no abetiti aye me ho ano
o say ayi fro
why
so boss fro
David no boss ni komoda
o sa yes you
me ni komoda ai me did diko me de e she me bu la o she me bu a
wama ye nyame
oh na bi the body ball fem so je na mani nyina me hu hwe na Roxy you do come back then na dey mesity
ba ma nyimi hu no answer
oh na lu yi be me for you o frɛ enti alu yi be le
sa me ji number no me bi call any si wono wakasa I just me call verify.
I don't verify.
Verification is very important.
But I'm so na me tie me phone me. Only me nkomo bia. Why?
Apostle Pacho ntokwa me ni ayi na nyo.
Udale. Oh ye di komo akra. Roxy travel say e hye city e. Da bia wo boy komo pa. Ezi akwa kodu ze bia be ka ho. E hye ne te say.
Say there ye gina we na they wanna about football side na you put on it.
Oh, okay.
Because number na ye peno yenya ewie inti ajisa omoba no be ye intake new answer be safa fofo.
Oh, okay. And they do your football lesson also.
And only say no you put on answer.
Is there football lesson they are kwap. And these are car yeah, you call akako ye juma. Akako ye yimi.
Ode wa nyankunti.
Anti. Send it city.
Bahamas and Dawama.
Bahamas and that's all. Oh, okay.
It is say Romania. She say transferred in the ending.
Oh, okay.
5 weeks and only all the worker who general work be up so you Romania and that's so it was in the ending.
Romania need a factory job. Now Bahamas and also
Bahamas in the street, you know. Yeah.
All also they are coming out.
The akumia de my sister na be uncle bi.
Oh, are they? How did that go to my age, man?
Zakumia it say. Eti Romania no aba. Itu pese utukwa ko Romania. Ebi pantia say Romania dini sound Islamic better Europe.
Oh, okay.
It's Iranian factory work. General job be our person here Romania no Kenya Alpama. Ababa Roxy. Na etiefu otiemia o ankran empatema ko Kaswa CP Methodist opposite Methodist Church one. For 024461
024461
3237. Yeah, I'm crying in part.
Sensi number no subi ma.
0244 61 32
37.
Yeah, and you Kaswa CP opposite Methodist Church one. And I feel so Oba Kumasi Asafu VIP station one mono. Godium touch about so waiting me for 0257 77 67 30 and I say 0557 60 73 75. Yeah, friend any komo na the person could be ano yemfa Japan na me share one him one once Arabs na ni abrepa. Sana Japan so sorry.
Local Japanese show on so any bra ba.
Sabe.
Oh, okay.
Si kada ho. I say minim so wako gram say side da.
Da bi nko bi da.
Nko bi da. Wonza sample no, you was sample show ho. Njo bi ba na se mabaka be sample show. Me do wako gram say side kakra. Na ye wo dia, wo de med ni tuma. E cheni e kokokoko na the scan wo man kasa.
Oh, okay.
Anti Japan si kada ho. Yam kwada kwa adwuma ho factory work teachers what they say bibi biara wo pese wo ye wo de bo tim so ko Japan and let's go come to Roxy baby obi say enye ye no Roxy do beko Roxy edo beko afa Dubai so next week me ba me de obi a wakotwi car Roxy de ne kwa watwi car waji award before asame kasa na ahwe ni video na answer
watwi car na agi award
Dubai ho
mo na mo de ne ko
Roxy de ko ye.
Oh, okay.
Ya advert video advert no o mu bi yanka entwantro yankofo obi as a film mu now na bi da bi we talk about evidence.
Oh, okay.
It's evidence in the bar next week no be able to testify say enye nsem keke ne beka ha we attack that episode 2 kwan within 10 days we be correct outcome.
Within 10 days.
Bibia
na correct no dey na dey na o dey be ba
basic document are to your passport.
Oh, okay.
Eni panti ase untimi nkan so utu kwan akọ enkran akọ 5 year bia won take it.
Yes.
It will basic passport document your passport are be to kwan no enti you correct nko ade a na bibia sika semu no so you correct within 10 days. Free Ghana could do back.
Me a driver, me the passport.
Sir, no driving license.
Oh, okay.
Because abu uni a certificate don't mean you more some
dabi
pamu in some manager cramping and a manager weapon aha it's you or license a church driver near no waba near doko cat and so and a steward your cast steward and materials for steward no much casuni
yes
steward oh ba be or bet you a park or car you say no hotels at the home of Dubai waiters and waitresses a juma el home delivery guys jamoto na otwi no asafo no japum pum no bese yen koda ko diska woni moto twa yen ko Dubai na ko adwuma ho sabebe
na ade lo cry ade hu ka
na he 10 cities we obi di be free anwa ga jan she di document bi bre onko ba 10 cities
na ade kakra kan
o dai me fan kan se mara no
ana wa fa kakra
o se me bana ga mi se kan fa bi kan ho di kan me ma obi
Boba or cat 10
cities in 10 na me de ko
to all out to for say basa wajwala ele how bregu
ko be sin ko na ko Dubai na ko nya sika na ko tumoto na say in a month 5,000 Ghana cedis obody ni tu kwan e kwa broche na we nya hwe obody sisa
o e no kre
o ka sa akra sisa se de osi no musuo kra sisa
e no kre
o obi twa fufuo tro macross lines no isan se o tu kwan
yes
akwantu de yese utu ye nyina efura kra se ne aba ukokro ma osisa Ghana haya na ufu akura na aba kuro mu no okwa oni yesisa
no kre
fuaru pre na obi nso nka se nso me ba e wa buruchire yenko Dubai yenko Albania Serbia padi asiye opese otu kwa ko China ko masters bra roti do beko
na Albania no na omo penanis wo
ai
eno ye ma no
eno ye ma no na se unti na obetimi atiti akola
wadi efie no be say
abu betimi atiti akola
betimi
betimi atiti akola
enye meduma
eti ma no ye
de o ya so ade bia wo ye bia possible so betimi o
but
eno so betimi afa form of kumasi akonkan ba da wo bedu no ene ne asem no
so wadu
anti bibia possible
to gum hwegum nyina kwase
anti bibia possible
but we ye man e meduma
ti fie no sen de kose
if you do watch it go see you see enum
okay
18 to 65
okay
and UK no so da ho
still UK ne da ho
nurses no home care service no ho cleaners you pay per hour enye Ghana na obeya osora home na 630 bosume so krampa ye mfema no we bosume no dana no o ye 10 hours ani nyina ye we ketu awaka
ye 10 hours adana wa
dana nti yanko na ko ye dwuma abrochi come to rock see
ye fa number ni bi o nenko
enkran ne mpatam CP kaswa CP police matter this 0244 61 32 37 eno ye kaswa ne mpatam
eno ye enkran number no
yes
na kumase
numbers ni emienu ye wo VIP station one mu no Godium touch one mu
okay
yeah 025 777 67 30 and I say 0557 60 73 75
Mate ya
guys bi wo achim lie minim se unim ho kotokofo ko wo ko ukobi krona kotokofo ko bo sika kono mreso no ukobi
David Mankobi
boys ni ya da papa
meso me check your papa
young guy bi na plan it say why na am 90 year hini
okay
even Obalima Odro the first pasi me va ni nchia maw na one day wa besra
mate
na minim do wa be ka kire
mate ye gina so anti
anti on fa bibimra
ye be hia oi na
fa bibimra
na ba bia na obi am chia no
ento fa bibimra
anti ye be hia oi at Roxy Travels of Australia ya Coco Gauff ya na we kwede papa dia ke bia e to aso e dia babo
wahwɛ sɛ wakɔ shop akɔdi dwa ahodoɔ basket ma emu provisions ɛne nneɛma ahodoɔ a ehia wo paa wadi line mu saa eduru so na wokɔtua nso a yɛaka kyerɛ wo sɛ ntimi nkyante yɛ mɛkyante na ma no so Hey, yakeke. Nemum o the Vodafone cash dia. Uni how cry.
Yakako bebia.
Say dear. Put me the Vodafone cash. It's your merchant beer or what network beer so. Straight. Direct. Sharp. And it's a water provisions. Fuel. Inro. Iniane. Metrese be beer or pesa we ye biano. Vodafone cash amana yem remember amount. Here obe yade say. Obe dial star 110 hash. Next year kako merchant beer ho. Ewo network beer so enia.
Vodafone.
Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now. And number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it. Goal!
With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap-In Jackpot. Diwihine. Bet responsibly. Not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
Saubetu kwai akosua de ewa amanone enda from kra top tier amanaye fo achechefo a yede omoye adwuma no etutu kwan esua de ewa amanone emfi bebre yebetimi aboa amwa bo degree or masters or postgraduate or doctorate ewa US UK Australia any amama so bebre ye nhwehwe ma won ma won person won be sat IELTS ena to fail so person wutu kwan akosua de ewa amanone dia empa top tier kumase yewo amakom Bank of Africa and Temuho. Fred 0260-411-847 and I say +1 646 659 5045. Accra, your Medina, Rolling Circle, Yeni CC Hagan Plaza Building, no, and a Bonrenimu, Medina Polyclinic. Your number, 020-3592-008. Takrade, your NK City, Fire Service, and Chenghua. If you're on Quanta Road, no so, you're paying Fijai School Park. Your number, 059-800-7852. Just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Esikafo krom wo de yi anana se edidi hu nkomoi en wakofa abrofu free abrochira ba besin in terms of fefe sa no akwa ma se abrohafo 52 estate construction en ese dan kama sa no e ka no so nya hu bia o 52 estate construction firms nko na esi wo dan se me ka se wo ka champa tie company leading en e friend 52 estate construction oh I see what on sase en adan amanso ni hu en wo si adan so ton wo san manage properties na kire se wo pedan ato wo pasase ato anase wo pedwumaku bia amenesi modern houses amwa nya bia ato a mo na unim wo fie kura wasi etimo no se ne bretwam na wo jade ma 52 estate construction fo a that is a design in your fabie mu a mo yese bom bobu dan nyina guo ba se no besia ye dan modern wan hwe wan ka sa wo du fie no wo hura wo hunu wow na wonu mo hefa 52 estate construction e wo Kiseman Gimpa Achimata Road 0556 72 33 38 and the Kumasenso page 4 and 12 road over 0531 52 57 97. Social media nyina so at 52 estates.
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu oto ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia ji se 21st clinic nko wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo sciatica expert
Yareda akradia for fry your friend of Big 4 free game pack games no edi Waya Akradia, Netunini dear Nyadin Kra. The number Ahodwa and 930 Kosi 9. Impressa de Biara, Nabekayan Kunum Difuane. Woba to me at Tuwa, Abafun Kratwabia, www.gamepackgames.com. Anna, Ubabo, star 946 hash. Our phone so now with ya. Man Akradia, Ajumeko NL. Apene Game Pack Games, Akradia is. Unni Fiadu Watia, Untimento Akradia, Fenyansa to Akradia. Pick 4 from Game Pack Games. More mula, more power.
Alright, ya momo de na yetimi ento aso na afise ne mrama me rama fama sera kese ne nko fama Ernest Herbal Industries ni ope quality herbal product o mo na abomo de ababa be rama ba kunie ye wo Ernest ointment na tienye oyo bia ne no nsawansawa bi agiwenim no aboso a na Coco Gauff na yusu na baby girls no ya na stretch marks no ewo mo ho a ema body no cra boys ne hwa ya na enyo makono pe Ernest ointment ni bi na fashion wa pimples a jiwe ni maboso oye bema we wa boyu sa na wa yutie wie no na niema bia ba be go 90 man proper egun kofu ni mas papa di obi odi ohwa kofie no obozi de bia ni shoe ne hyene sa ni na zo ra sentinel ba no ya na ano edin papa na fi so no nei no pampan bi egina ho a unya Ernest ointment mi na yusu a ebe na yiri fi ontin sanwa bia ze koku na siu baby wadwawe na afi ho yo hene afi zukra tiwi no entimi mfu a unya bi na di forma ebi fu na aboa na hyehyɛ na dadi mpere ama no mo a ɛna ansa bomode etimi edi awake natural capsules no ababa bebaze ye de mama ne mema nyina na tinie oye bema na eni waye mre kakra wompam utimi mbo adwuma ne ye na afo ye oba nso no na edu bebi a mfio ne ma nhyɛ da ye kra entimi emfa ma na bema odwonso obre oba abosome so bu nsa na eka odwe amepa chope awake natural capsules ni bi ebeboa boost immune system no na ma wegina na so na ne ma koye pere amadu ameka wansi no omo ntimi numbi oba anas penfo ona ntimi numbi obi a oba ma onofo no ntimi anumi na afi so no na unyini entwa mu ntramfie dumienu a na eze 12 years no o na se a onso ni akonya so bekọ na wetimi akọ mi fa number ina kan ha ne mbo na ya 0245 079 915 0245 079 915 na 0276 537 701 0276 537 701 no pebia orwani chemu akra o kan shi dragling ho oba modena on set mi akabi kings walkeba rebesh ventures tenateteba baseline pharmacy and anisi pharmacy and afi rejoice onyina no gibi ko for idia orwani HM Gapsen pharmacy ebize delight pharmacy na drug rate pharmacy and afi so no orwani chemu nkokwa na jeso Wusko B pharmacy ene de akakari nyina wonya bi kaswa orwani chemo tribe of Judah obenya bi na Kumase so dani eba misti eba Kolinak ena afi ne Habe pharmacy ena Kriske heba onyina no ye boa na ne ene seba mu nupa no wajibi na boa na ne ma deda ye pa etimi ede ama kama na ntoto no so no akoyi etimi ere amao na yakasa krade abanko fogusu omudi de yanze wenye du fie du wotwede ko animu odon obehim na Game Park Limited o makrade no edi edaso ne Game Park Games no wa bomode na so ache wadwe na aboa ma ne makoye da ma namba no F0 to 9 ora pikimu fa ene ebebo mode na etimi abonto yusu mo phone tablet na computer o de ko Play Store kwa download Game Park Games app no o download wi a o wakonya so obomode na wache wadwe afa ho enye no nko mo site o so betimi awramu www.gamepackgames.com www.gamepackgames.com now so no open cool eye out there a simple cry network via UCBano open so twa bi na che wadwen a order star 946 hash star 946 hash ubonze be yaba wawram na afi wahwe the lucky four no open it is numbers for everybody boom de mom also no e wo so abedi utimi predict ze bi straight ne say one predict say bebo 1 2 3 4 no mo pezo di na unya ska kesi ni ti no modi draw no ye twe ne mpre no miensa de bia anopa no nye 9 o'clock am ewia no 12 pm na nwuma ne 6 pm ni na live on Adum TV abon se de nema esia ko 21st kenin se menka emfancho ze broma so ye ne beboa na ne ya ye bi edu nya no to etwa ade ba ko a amankofo bo mu di awiase afanye na kom asem ne siatica no ne sen ye ma me ne papa mo a ya mo transiche no wa transi ama sisio entina atwetwe wa de ramo to achu bibi e ramo se etwa hwe ya dabi no oba bebubu meka sai so na akoba na asufie na ne ya ye choto a ye be den didi mane nyansa Romo 21st clinic komaso ye ne be na ye timi aboa nye no nko ye se na ya no futi so ba besu na ase no ye reni aso no nti stroke ni diabetes na no ye rabo mo lab kese a ye be do so ahun bebi a ye ne hye ne ahwe etimi aso ano na scan services no omo ye massage no Friday bia wa wie adwuma no to fa ne nwoma obonze moja no edi efusa ne ye di machine treatment so no etimi aka ho de ama me ka last time me ko ho ye nwoma mi fili ye me so ye kra no e ka den ka fine time zabi kwa de ne de dodo di ozo kona ye ne kama pa ne timi ye ma more than 15 branches Ghana bibia ye bo adwuma Kumasi ye overseas junction mo e be na afro radio bo ase cancel quarters ko junction nyoma kra do me market bi nyoma sunyane nkranza any teach mo no mo bo adwuma number ni 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 nembwa na ne mandida yeso pa entimi emfa emas dan bi sonko entimi emfa ma Vodafone makase dwumadi omobona no edin na nei omabomodi omoni B-Boss Ghana akedi aboma hyehye edi abani yeso mobile phone na use na yedada ope smartphone no quality one use na Samsung phone a yese ne no B-Boss Ghana and Vodafone Ghana akabuma obaba be deposit no 353 Ghana cedis. Ori ato ase ama bosome 9 edi ramu nsia na de aka no watwia edi asoso na phone aba be yo de simple kra de yan so be ramu Vodafone offices awodo na ewo Kumasi baby etise ko for you akra ne takra de na ne omedi nkomo nkran no oro ani chemo madina ne obenya omo office ni bi wo ANC mo e was East Legon akra mo onyo office ni bi wo Junction mo cantonment enosu ye beboa na wetimi ram na de so no aba metimi da ma B-Boss omo head office no adenta abrikwan no so no obo modern onyo omunti frɛ na kan ha ne betro kwan a obefa so anso benya smartphone ni bi 0800 255 0800 255 na 0243 323 148 0243 323 148 niambwa na ne mandeda di mpema mo pesos agent Kumasi akra takra de ko for idia na ye ne o ma yedwuma ntino onso no o nim de on wa fa regional manager na ne nkasa 0208 484 141 0208 484 141 niambwa na hyehye no enko yeso no entimi emfama yewramu na ya no no yabo modena qualifiers na ko etimi da pem na yebedi won ni nyina ze ozi ewura mo bet yo maso ye ne yabo moden ekokọ enhihye ni ye wenye du fie du wotwe a www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh okwa na wa use Betway golden code promo no and na golden booking code na simple ya twa baby 100% back me pacho kreke no so o kreke no so a ebe code ni the amount emfa bi nka ho enkonko yi bi mfim utwa 1 Ghana ede baba be ramo 50 Ghana na ebodiwa ye sambo modin a usika no yetimi etwia na back ede mount unya na bibia je se Betway no mbre na ya boa na ya yentoto ye na kama pa so no etimi ra ma top tier steady abroad console sebra na bra be ramo maso na dwumadi no mudi no akono papa ni nyina nze ne wawie high school o grace ni ye oni bobo o sign ni mirika kwa ye du ramu akwa kusua ade ya san pe scholarship ama usua ade no na ne obo modin so no e da o talent na dinye no nko a obezo rama no ne bachelor's degree master's degree postgraduate diploma and certificate no doctorate degree programs in the US, Canada, UK, baby this Australia na Austria and in New Zealand. Ye Robert Conwa kwa kubijuma satani ya bwa etchen conform mo twicha and afi so no IELTS and TOEFL no next no graduate and a graduate student no ye sambo ama nema koye pa etimi edemanti ramu ama ne kona kokosua de ne mbwa na ne mandeda de emfa manti upo mo Madina Royal Sparks Royal Circle CCA Gan Plaza opposite Madina Polyclinic Accra unyo montifa Accra number na ne omo etimi ni nkomo 0203 592 008 0203 592 008 itiano ya Accra number no Kumasi Amakom traffic light no mo Eben Bank of Africa number ni 0260 411 847 0260-411-847 na takra de amoben NK City Fire Service if yan kwanta kwan no amoben Fija School Park no 0598-007-852 Ramuni amwa na ne mande da di performance o madaroma yam team sini ni nkoma akra e ofie no up the Black Stars of Ghana training no esan etwa so a wa crash sports de mohwe na ne amade da dia bibia erom kama pa timiara me na ambo chena ye ne library amai no ene dia boni ayokofa kensi a ye rom na abo amantoto akweti share VIP main 70 Ghana VIP rings 50 Ghana center line 30 Ghana popular stand here 20 Ghana anti ticket no star 711 hash na we room na boa na niam de ye pa etimi edi amana na orwani echema the Ghana Football Awards over the weekend jumadi no etimi akoso na no edimpa Honorable Evans Opoku Bobie the Deputy Sports Minister upon partner bomodi din koma akra na speech no ene hihia na ministry no de boa na sport na komsi no bomodi edja.
Greetings from His Excellency President of the Republic and the number one football fan Danko Akufo-Addo and the Minister for Youth and Sports Abu Mustafa Yusuf. It is my great honor, pleasure to deliver these remarks on behalf of the Minister. I begin by congratulating the GFA for organizing the media and to recognize deserving personalities within the football fraternity. It's a laudable initiative and should be commended. Mr. President, football is the most popular sport in the world. That is also the case in Ghana. This fame also puts a responsibility on football to be carried forth for development of other less privileged sports. It is in line with this that we must commend all the great initiatives that have been undertaken by the GFA to improve infrastructure, build technical capacities, and develop grassroots talent. At the center of all these are the main actors, the footballers, referees, and officials, and the supporters without whom all the facilities and capacities will be meaningless. The institution of this award is most appropriate for recognizing top performers and serve as a way of motivating others. As you may be aware, the Honorable Minister has an objective to exponentially increase participation in sports in all communities across the country.
Eltiano ye command your bomb de tuja boamane ma de afternoon no so be se ne njuma pa ministry no ni ade no yen central for no ye bre ni aboa na ya bon da runa ne ma ko ye no so see no bomb de jai.
Ask the media to help the ministry and GFA in all efforts in developing and promoting the game of football. We are all doing a great job, but we can do more. I also
Eltiano ye come bomb de kere fan central afternoon and up in perfect KTS Okraku or the Ghana Football Association president also no edidi din koma na obobo bompo info bidin edoma se so ma boama ye football no niama ku ye pa timi era ma na se na nkomo no di tuju.
Let me say thank you to a man who is famously known as Abra Apia. He is now a chief. Abra Apia, wherever you are, Nana Yedase, for your contribution towards the Ghana Premier League. Can we give it to him, please? Wherever you are tonight, Sports. Ashford Tete Oku, thank you for your service to the GPL. Thank you. Can we give it to him, please? May he rest in peace. Leporua MND Jaula, wherever you are resting. Thank you so much for your investment in the resurrection of the MTN FA Cup competition. Adam Linia Ade, wherever you are tonight, thank you for your service to women's football. Mrs. Hilary Boateng, the chairperson of the Women's Premier League Committee, wherever you are tonight, thank you. The last one, I hope I've not missed anybody's name, Honorable Wilson Atta, thank you. Thank you so much.
Eltiano ye mpinfo ni obomo de didi omo nkomo so oboboa na ye football ni ama de de amen after no osan didi nkomo kakra ebomo de chichi mu se free years omo baba betra so omo eye adwuma no owe season series ko omo aboa ma Ghana football no ni ama de ye pe de amen ye league no so omo ya ni abrofo de no ehia pepepe echezo omo ye adwuma se na obomo de di nkomo fe no so.
I'm happy to say that over the past 3 seasons the Football Association have successfully synchronized our domestic league calendar line with mainline Europe. What that means is that our football calendar over the last 3 years has successfully run from August, September, and ended May, June, or July. Indeed, the past 3 football seasons, we have had no hitches. Our seasons have run smoothly, either from the coast level across all the 10 football regions, Division 3, Division 2, Women's Division 1, Women's Premier League, the National Division 1 League, and the topmost brand, which is the Ghana Premier League.
That's your no year come on bomb the area to your free seasons near or in league in near football set in MNC qua. Ye sharing your DBIC see a quaint. Now Boama near Madamuti and BB Aquarium after no confirm is a ne. Kabi a womb so Momoji League, you know, scare was a common mona refis on Nina, Yabomo Dia.
I'm also happy to announce that the FA has successfully paid up all prize monies that is due all our competing winners as far as the just ended football season is concerned. And that includes we paying up our match officials. I'm also
no year command your people on bomb the Dianina Boamana Dayepa, Etibiera Mena, no Panama Boba was no swearing mana, Giano, no Nebomodina best refi, Yabomadia Manaka. Na Udidin Komaka, Nense Mosino Sudija.
I'll just advise them to keep on working, look up to great people, take inspiration for what we are doing now and what they have seen today. And the sky shouldn't be their limit, it should be the starting point for them. Most of us are here, myself and my colleagues, senior colleagues are here. We'll help them when they come to us for any help.
That's your lawyer command Juno no Bomo de Jani na Boa Manema Dayepa, Etimermana, Nana Fosuji Abo Park, Najma Dinefepa. Became United Bomodium, new signing so my yeni Yomupie, Emma Ned da Yepana, Momame, I Piana. Hey, Bishop Atapoku. Boba Arafat there had it in Adra. The DPA, the Willa, that's a Didi Kobagoya, oh hey. Era ejua peche voye le dralo le uti Arafat no Boat Regan captain Edema DBB adjoin Bechi United nra awon ejuma no mo ye no ero wu yo players ye pia crab at is a precious boy so adjoin o man no yi no so pie di Arafat o mo de ne ko adjoin Bechi United nra Boat Regan GC number 30 ere bonichi kama pa na nra yeah. Yes. Na yeah. Banra. As our man name almost stands in a back all the Augustine Okra. Tinra a gamma na team president and Casa di Dincomo. Na see no bomb dear cancer no.
Sompa Sports. Baswa. I was Council of State member. Nananuma, and yet to a Moshiamuha. Sir, you might be a Jumadia answer a decline. Our Bechem United, about saying, Sir, play our Bechem United. Now, yes, you have one about to say. A person a cabbage. It is another Augustine Okra. Munya ya bolidia chema munyuno wati apo wa bofama iso enana wona le de sa stand nyina up to the din say Augustine Okra stand ya aja say ni wonyam nya ja cha afofo say wo papa munya ho akatia abantie no
Tiano no Sompa Makichiapa na Neomo Zampa wa Baba Beso Papa Boamane Daddy Amomeba na Crobiani out of the Amabi Yeri. If you're not on Trinity of Arc Limited Company Zebra, Yam found Ramu Ewa Manone in New Year head to a Kanquaquina by Canada, UK. Oye Jumano na Yichiaka, baby Abed and Jenho, and to your doctor, nurse, midwife, lab technician, Ramunian Bow, and also Chino, almost Aquinian doors over Kwaku Rama Manonia Kwakusia de Nabwa, Nanyama de Yepa, Etimerama footballers in your Boaji Sports Visa, Edmamona Ne Owansa Nujuma, a Trinity of Arc Limited Company. Amasue and also Konanyo Mudinkomo, near Buana de Sunu Kumedamampo Nisa Nujuma, Yereni and 20 year pay to me Eddie Aman, say Canada, US, UK, Shingi State out on Edobe Comanamano, 0531-644-217 and a 0531-633-556 and a 0205-572-076. Kumasi Adwa to Marcel Chomo, Eben Abepo Junction, Akasua, New Market Road, no Fidelity Bank, Abanso, no first floor, Aircon no mobile for polo zebra na or the African print in a designs out on ano edempa your African print polo shirt, African print golf shirt, African print round neck shirt, African print v-neck shirt and is a one's a boutique for no why share the amount is and then comfortable boutique or nani bafonta the any biombe and your gold package at 20 shirt a box and no far Ghana baby will be deliver a free enough for all silver package 15 shirt or box a bronze package you know and see a 10 shirt a box tifa nani ni nkomo organizations out on to say banks and all Friday wear no schools no teachers association churches and fan clubs no or boy the mama nan konam to see no so no your bomb more than 8 meter ton crack Ghana baby obia or be delivered ya 0249 600789 and 0599 899919 ayena Coco Gauff Santasi obuase kwano so no bafo ebejuma ramni ambo na ne man koye pen fama 52 Estate Construction Limited of anania du sika na che e ma ofandi sika ni biem o pasase e okumase ne nkran o amanone o Ghana ha e 52 Estate Construction Limited mo ene bebo mo de etimi abo mo abojuma no na jezemfie no be se makuma kudunu nie omunya ha biada ne dedema de bibie koye pa etimi erema this round no o to asase na ne abonasu yezi amount 20 bags of smith zeje na fasha ase and afo timi 50% de aka no we twa ne kakra asase ne yo de 52 estate tonko a and abomode anya we fie no so no ye be renovate etimi ede amount na afi no o property bi omre na ya hweso de amount form number no na ne omon kasa na nhehye no ye mfama 0556 723 338 and a 0531 525 797 oko 52.com say Facebook, TikTok, Instagram no obonjuma po mu din kan Kesema Johnson game park Motor Road no Kovme Plaza abinyo amuna Kumasi nso no oro ani chemo page 4 antoa kwa no so a omo wa ejuma omo bono nye ejuma keto akra ndiruamu na ayembo na ne mande da yeso no entimi emfa ema na hyehye no so no enko kama pe emfa ma drinks ni yemienu pe eno an ye no ma na me ahode mixer 5G cafe bi eni mebe mo ahoden sonko wagya wona so na wetimi abo adwuma na ne ma deda ye pa etimi era ma mizo fruit drinks no emu api unya na agba wa min say tam dia ye na agba badi nto na agba de dodo na agba be hye no mixer 5G mizo fruit drinks no ena de boa na ne ma kweda ma 0246 270221 0246 270221 na 0558 106348 ofra Ghana babi obi abenya bi mo amwo ko for idia east no monko kweku check company limited na number no 0243 329414 and a KF Kinju Enterprise oro ani chemu Kumasi a no motor swami hai Kumasi no number ni 054 4483 392 054 4483 392 Manager Daniel 21st Clinical Overseas Kojibi be kind supermarket to be Mama Esther Outcome Royal Ventures Watra Baptist University Buakwano Ujibi na PNC Ventures Anomanje Texas Station Charity Hospital Junction no Ubinya bi na Sachi Enterprise no oro ani chemu asafo abinchia also VIP car park no bomo no anya bi no Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko 6 p.m. prepare morning so atama the live comment ni Rama de ma game no eba na wi obi a entimi amposo no yonkwatena na ano eden papa na nra goalkeeper fene Daniel Fazu say bia apostle ni bishop mo hema me ze wa haba bi na ade no na no eden papa be na so mo na fa ball no e no botwa mu saa e na kalu eto no ho no de na nine bobo no bia ni zo obo we dia ni bia ni ze ball na hye anu asum ta e ze ija ball no na ma keeper ni save na no eden no oyusu adwini to ball na se na anu ata but sometimes the bad news say Koroko players ni mienu play first half Henry Ensu and Nicholas was able to no more bobo no pa no more prefim say no ye news say but after the game coach Marcel Grant didn't come because answer Koroko your former team na back on mienu ben na hu ya hu say your momre yo say no bobo didn't come off
for the 90 minutes they mean to me come be also because Oman started and show weaknesses even though say we also played some good football in the first half. Second half, no, they really did well. But first half, no, but say weaknesses. But make us a ball, the Obono and Shego, we have a strikers, no, want to me and Shego. Like us, almost want to me and Shego. Make us maybe strikers, no, yeah, we check a crane in front of you, maybe promote me.
Etia no ye koma pimpa na bo mo de en komo de odibiye papa na me isi eba be ramu 3 to 4 shootout na ye be na ye ram kama pa etimi edi ama na Ricardo mame eduano mu jesi no say next season the omo de be ye adwuma no mensa kan bi Chairman Bajo said no ani. And one am the be ejuma.
Rona Motors. Yeah.
Diana Football Club. Bi omurera mu mame na menye ya.
Me da CP em say season here bowie and Bechema Lusu Kofi Agbesima. Na Kofi Agbesima has been the heartbeat of Bechem center backs. Oko half his konkoni soko.
Yes.
Ntina say Bechem any money e kire nyina no. Oma Lusu. Agbesima aside say o defend na sa extra set piece goals. Niti and a penalty kicks. They also more replacing. One of the most coveted players for Ghana, Airboard Division 1 year, na Boat Reagan. Arafat. Minim top club Anko Arafat. Say at some point there a showdown between Accra Lions and Indiana. And then Bechem through Agama, the relationship on Alexa Baby on EBT Ubia. Indiana yes so money the BBA ko terms no. Na Arafat Bechem a preseason. And the relationship between the two sides, no, especially Diana and Bechem Nintino, na mpanyinfo push and push. But look, what Benya Kwenya season will be an heno. Me pese Arafat on your circle for nebebo. I would say for Samba. Arafat we on the Kofoye robust or physical. Akro adwin on the ball no pa. Na say center ball passing center backs no akọ ni ball pass do no ndi na say no kwa aduma and na say no kwa aduma na Ghana under 20 no kan Sompa Sport nti omaya de na Bechem Sompa August no crowd ya somo no anytime be a movie from Bechem bia no munyeska.
Yes,
anytime be August no okra free Bechem bia no team ni nyeska kese nti okusie champagne for shen and munyam no eh some power cosmo no oko Al Hilal omunyeska bag omoko danse oko Simba almost nyeska pa nti esefata so mo shen sai ni munyam no wasan be san be bom sembe kaya na tin de bre na epe no oba akotoko na anye no asama aga maka chen so mra na eden ye ha de oba ebe san yi okoye man. So he's going to have his third spell. Anytime you are kotokwa the form na anye bia no. Oko back to Bechem. Oko so efa. E man akwa ba say why?
Yeah.
Or a family man. And when you nti ne so be guide nkra no. Ba game do timi bo. Nti onye no mboa. Na obey. Omo sanyi omo ne hearts. Sa red card no dear. Ananya hearts. FA Cup match be a career. Oko any referee no call ye man red card.
Money house. Every car final.
On here side the NBA. Because this is our ban. On a bit children crana de could you set precious boa. And then crana can you know.
Our team and your bad.
Oh, WWE at all. This season, Bunu teams no. Adriana would do any pedigree sim. But in terms of team quality, Bechem, Chelsea, and Shatremai are par. One number boy ni money maybe I can.
Sombe shipa.
Mr.
Bishop. Na Ivan Okote ni de
own bobo.
It's got out there right back.
Own bobo. Hey, own bobo.
Na ni pe bi da fa boss puzi.
Look, man, you know, and yeah, me counting team. Own bobo.
Ono so
look
about lateral
at the end of season be kwa we no ball na obo na no de onimbo Emmanuel Kote mehunu onimbo pa onimbo tie bom pa ata na chi my imagine say nka ma mintimi elections for na wie but and then ko see say we for afre ene ya poku omo na akofa asemo ina
afre na why
afre no honum oni ya poku no
ina ya poku so na why
omo retired footballers omo ntima mbobo na nkwachi so mu a no mu jojo because so ya no muslim
omo ayede
ke say Dr. Obin ko endorse I can be form
Dr. Obin
yeah ye ko hwe mu a Dr. Obin is not a signatory of Mediama until me endorse I can be form.
Oh okay
the ama can be omo yi na film no
can be there no sanity
Dr. Obin endorse in the form.
Okay
Dr. Obin is only signatory perfect. Boy, yes, come back. No, Jeffrey, you throw the command. GFA Elections Committee no say omo unedited videos of the conversation between Omo and Leslie Kuku Battles, Victory Warriors and India, and Jeffrey Asaya, I sign forms, I fan send baby about Ghana. Hey, na we statement now, what they buy now. No, say you release this document, and no come on. I'll say I'm very much aggrieved at the decision and intend to appeal. I therefore request that I be furnished with the unedited video recordings of my vetting before the Elections Committee, as well as the unedited video recordings of the purported calls with President Leslie Kuku Battles and Mr. Jeffrey Asare, referred to in 1IX and X of the decision to enable me to prosecute my appeal. The free any letter of the command chairman, Nia Shali, and then the Elections Committee. No, I don't know. Mira na Elections Committee catch aspirant Georgia Free disqualified. Na almost so omunia no sema omudi ya no any. Na DSA, your letter requesting unedited videos of the vetting refers. The content of your letter is well received by the independent GFA Elections Committee, and the committee wishes to respond as follows. The work, vetting, discussions, deliberations, and processes leading to the decision making of the Elections Committee, same as the Disciplinary Committee, Appeals Committee, FIFA Elections Committee, FIFA Disciplinary Committee, and Appeals Committee and panels of the Court of Arbitration for Sports are not shared with parties or the public. What is shared with parties and in some cases with the public is the written decision containing the record can you see yourself?
Two near what is shared with parties and in some cases with the public is the written decision containing the record of proceedings and decisions on the issues concerned. 3. You will note that the decision of the GFA Elections Committee in your case is extensive and contains the record of proceedings and the grounds on the issues or matters concerned. 4. The videos are made available only to the appellate body when there is any dispute of fact, in bracket, not dispute of law, and if the appellate body so orders. Thank you. Yours sincerely, Elections Committee.
Near Moyan Ghana, Haimunje. A chess or court, no appeal, more than Krata and the appellate body, which is the court. No one person here appeal through more system. He cannot have the records. There is a dispute of fact. Georgia Free and his camp are challenging. So Munjindi, say Jeff and Leslie Kukuba tells a catcher committee. Say indeed, they are not signatories to the club.
I was as a we. On can be
no, you know.
Only if you have a camp.
Me, I'm a kind of say. Me too be for and it will be out TV. And I've always said this. Yeah. No, truth is only one. Opinions are many.
No cry back up, but I drink chene.
And I laugh because that's the reason why I decided I will not speak. So I will speak at the right time. But Leslie Kuku Battles will speak before I speak, and I know why. But I'm can near my name in throne in Abidomase. And to those who have called me. And I've not doubted my integrity. Listen, for Bibian Tunje, but my integrity cannot be questioned by anybody. Nobody. Throughout my life. My integrity. Nobody can question it. Tioma Munina Namakan said, no, they should guide. No crown bar, the dust will settle. So don't worry.
Oh, can't be people.
Oh, me.
The woman me
I've been in this game. And in life, I've gone through all kinds of things. I'll not say anything. Kudos to those who are saying all kinds of things. Lies, deceit, untruth, peddling, no problem.
But you remember them say
a part of.
I never chame about Ghana game ne day. Now Udin will be bia. Now Udin will be bia. It's except so that Kofa can be pa.
Oh yeah, listen, Mamika Zebcho. Yeah, if you think people will not speak out, Chroma Ghana, don't waste your breath on Nyanko for Kafao. Sometimes you look at those who are talking, like a gentleman is all royalty or something on Saturday. You look at those who are talking. These are people that, with all due respect, don't matter if meeting you. But that's how it was. I'll leave it at that. Now, I mean, oh yeah.
I said,
no,
fantastic.
Some can't I say, let's remember this with people.
Yeah.
Because I say, and my position is so I don't do that. I'm a principal person. He will speak as a club president.
Yeah.
He will speak now outlining what led to what or where.
Now answer our Babontina.
Then honor. Then I'll take people on. Something I know how to do very well. So don't worry.
Good. Into the mirror. Because this is an Asha say, I'm requesting for unedited conversations. Just say, oh, intimate farmer. Chichiro say go chiabro.
Now ultimate request Genesis.
You have to. I should be able to request for my proceedings. Of course. Nameda appeal. You must produce fresh evidence when you are appealing a case. Me, I'm saying this. First time I Jeff a Zoom call with committee. Now me tell you TB. Now Alexa baby also. It was a Monday. I was there. Now me hobby. They see any Mr. Shalemi TB. My shadow na my din na me hwam din. But I say I kwan mo bi ni de. E be gina ko si sen no so na je say ya manu ma tima konkan. Me de ma nu si no. Ena nwumre nyame adoma abudi abi metun safrel. Oh, Kote PIWC.
Anana ye kwa sorry.
Fire Convocation 2023 SHCN. E be on the 15th. Miami Kobe. Now Apostle Dr. Amos Jimmy Markin, Director of Evangelism, Church of Pentecost, Oba. Sanso and Apostle Peter Kofi Jameke, area head, on also Babi. Now host pastor, Pastor Peter Blood Afu. 6 p.m. crying near the Jumedi show of PIWC Kote Auditorium. And there, Abu Dhabi Eton Safrel. It's a fire convocation, no. Course of PIWC Kote in Tibrebi. Thank you.
Now, come here, fancy your demand.
Oh, so you when you be a was assembled because of me.
First time I be cross already. Our hero who pay be a brother with me, my power.
Allah.
I'm in my headquarters or South Treasure. How was I make call ye? Some get what
I saw church me a door.
I want to church me a door.
Never be wow. And you be
class one. You are there about family and I'm a Faber.
Now, my ora keto kreku a bonk of Fabaso. Governor Obama was when I appoint you.
Oh, they be muy more.
I'm saying that. Listen, one more day. But I'm saying that if you are listen, leadership, one of the major key instruments of leadership, come be first appointing Crawford. Because I'm going to the year, we will go any massive. Ask for her, Abra Apia. Oh, by the way, even challenges in this stage. When I appoint you,
yes.
Or no one who must go far, or ask for the do goodbye. People, MD Jaola. When I appoint you,
yeah.
So why do you be our bombas and any power point on no bombas or bombas? David, I mean, I mean, does it make sense? It does not. Because my bombas, nobody has been instrumental in Ghana football over the last 2 decades.
Yes.
What is it? Instrumental. The product now, a league now, Modi year and Mose Bedu Ebiadu. Only maybe a league no every buyer. So ABC. Be a league no free buyer, Rakuzian, Super Jano do baby. So me, the point is that we are saying, Sebi ni pa ose fata waya die so Bonabas unyenyimu because omo Bonabas be there is nobody why very instrumental Sebi Ghana football doom pempeswe to the extent that he rose to be a FIFA councilman, vice of CAF. Sebi that's a height you get to about football boy. So onya opinion to me do some pempesuna enye easy CAF Africa country any person to me do that level. So they say. But anyway, remember now Deputy Minister said media. Promoting. What are we promoting?
Also, Juma Pano, my year.
Juma Pano,
your football.
Juma Pano, num. It's not in their mouth.
About to say,
no. Listen, Debut, Juma Pano, we should see it. Football, yeah, baby, we see it.
That's what's the new.
Yenu, I back near no my ya. Ye near Wayanka. Near somewhere I be Also as in stadium wiem crying and our stadium addition to him. So we'll see and talk about it. As one sports complex or I baby Sebi Janabia any snakes meet your hormone. You buy across president is so what should we talk about? What are they giving it? What is the football policy about almost start implementation? 7 years, in next year, 8 years.
Yes.
And then one positive football initiative, or say the sports passport, one positive football initiative by the way. Me 7 years of a government football initiative, Papa they should give us one. So say most popular sport, yes. One initiative, football from the state. And yeah, if you air there. Na efe angasa nyuma pa omo product omo say omo dey friend say social media dey promote ba league no so they are promoting it. Have they engaged us to promote it for them? And I say besika ba so do this share 50,000 almost any stakeholder be ba yeah, but league there we should promote it for that. At the end of the days sika ba omo when eje how do omo efe omo appreciate reckon the role of a central for how I'm fine to the extent that even in a country where criminal libel law and they said that they will take us to court.
Yes.
Now per se promote to put down because of Uchiakawa.
Debbie.
And now I saw to for to promote the product. Have they doing it?
Debbie.
Have they ever engaged media houses to make sure say a coin banner together ever come my promoting product? No, they've done.
Debbie.
So what are we going to promote for them? Deputy Minister, please come again. Sebi, if you want us, we are every time promoting the game for you. Friendly minds are clubs.
Yes.
So yeah, niamuya papa yebeka anya papa so yebeka wasem. But yen sorry can say promoting anyhow. We'll promote what we have done. That is the whether good or bad. We'll do that. The positive to muya yebeka. Muya nenyen so yebeka. Lagora ket the American cuisine to John Bonabaso. It's started here not there. What do you say? Sebi, obey every president. Cuisine to Gina can't obey every president.
Obey every president.
Yes. 48 hours, 24 hours to the election, 48, 24 hours. Why numbers? I was on the floor. I was there that day. Yes, the influence. Yes, the microphone to our market. It's a fact. So no matter, oh yes, of course. Connect any numbers. Because Uncle now come to our major
you no no.
Yes. And no necessary be I'm putting this on record. He knows it. So papa no and found near whatever issues are, but I've said that send pano sefata says of Bonabaso say only know what and who here. Because I always say that Omo Bonabaso you know be anywhere or change the role and the instrumental progress going into the year until the time on your issue.
Mati, if you are no bessentia, na ya rama, Mamefa, me call a Senekaka, na Mimpija, Mimuna, Fidia Cantor 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 05.